Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about what actually is pitting and non-pitting type edema. Okay, what is pitting and what is non-pitting type edema. Okay, pitting type edema and non-pitting type edema. Okay, so this is the things we'll be talking today. Okay, now let us discuss these things. Let us draw three structure over here. Okay, and we will be drawing three structure over here. Okay, and same you can imagine this is structure as well. Okay, you can imagine this is structure as well, you can imagine this is structure as well. Okay, so what happens initially there is, okay, so there is, so now yeah, we have to suspect these things. There is hydrostatic pressure that is maintained by the water and the different by the fluid, oncotic pressure that is maintained by the protein. Okay, now normally what happens to be edema, to what happens, the hydrostatic pressure will be rise in this condition. Okay, but there is oncotic pressure less, so this here is increased hydrostatic pressure. Okay, along with the hydrostatic, along with the water, what happens, the protein also come out. Okay, protein also come out, but what happens, this protein are taken out of systemic circulation with the help of lymphatic drainage. Okay, in this condition there is hydrostatic pressure, along with hydrostatic, increased hydrostatic pressure, along with increased hydrostatic pressure, the protein also leak over there, but they are drained by the help of what things, they are developed by the lymphatic drainage. In this condition, oncotic pressure, hydrostatic pressure, norcotic pressure, oncotic pressure is less. Again what happens, that is rise in hydrostatic pressure, that imbalance, and what happens, again edema will be there. In this condition as well there is also leakage of the protein. Okay, when there is leakage of the protein, what happens, they are again drained by the help of lymphatic drainage. So this is the last condition. So what happens, lymphatic obstruction will be here. Okay, there is lymphatic obstruction will be there in this condition. So when there is lymphatic obstruction, what happens, the protein that is present, that is goes to the cells, cannot comes out into systemic circulation. Okay, when the protein goes out of the cells, protein goes out of the blood vessels, that goes into cells, then what happens, it holds the water tightly, it holds the water tightly. Okay, very tightly. So in this condition, type 2 condition and this 3 condition. So if you press over this skin, so what happens, the fluid will be moved. Okay, fluid movement take place. So this is pitting type, there is pitting type edema. So this is pitting type edema. Okay, fluid moves, that is called pitting type edema. In this condition, when you press the skin, then what happens, there is also again pitting type edema. In last condition, so there is water is held tightly by the protein. Okay, and so what happens, so when you press, what happens, to the tight structure, what happens, there will be pitting type, non-pitting type edema. So it will cause non-pitting type edema. Okay, so this is the gist for today. Edema. Okay, so I think you have understood the video. And when there is, in nephro cases, when there is edema, the first main first symptoms that to be appear will be around edema will be around periorbital edema. So the reason behind periorbital edema is loose connective tissue over there. Okay, so these are the things we have to know about. I hope you have understood the very concept. Hope we will be back soon with next video. Thank you.